surprise waiting for you at the end. So please watch till the end of the video. Okay, let's get back to the subject. How many of you prefer a sweet dishes or a savory dishes? I prefer a savory dishes. But what is the main ingredient for it? Yes, it's salt. But how is the salt made? Yes, it is obtained by the evaporation of ocean water. Here you can see a small pond-like structure where seawater is stored for evaporation process. When the water evaporates, white crystal remains at the bottom. Yes, it is salt, but this will be impure salt crystal. So this salt can be changed into pure state by the process of crystallization. We heard the word crystallization. Let's see what is crystallization. A crystal forms when the water evaporates from a saturated solution. The process of crystal forming is called as crystallization. I'm going to show a small experiment, which is the Father's Day gift my dad. For this experiment, you'll need pipe cleaners, string, pencil, jar. Also, don't forget add hot water in the jar, scissors and borax. I'm using a borax, but you can use sugar or salt. For this experiment, you'll need adult supervision. So, I've created some designs for my experiment. These pipe cleaners are very flexible, so you can make them to anything you want, like star or snowflake. To reach crystallization, we need to get to many processes, which are dissolution, solution, saturated solution, evaporation, sedimentation, and crystallization. Now, let's add a hot water inside the jar. And we're adding the hot water. Now, we're going to add borax. Borax, yay, borax. I'm trying to dissolve the borax. Yes, this is called dissolution. Stir. Now, the solution is ready and saturated, so we cannot add more borax. Now it's a time to add our designs, but make sure they don't touch to the bottom, sides and each other. Okay, added all my design and the solution. Let's come back and check in a few hours. Meanwhile, I'll take my lunch and my afternoon nap. Bye. How this process works? The solution is formed by the water as solvent and borax as solute. When the water is hot, molecules in it move farther apart, making room for more of the borax to dissolve. As the solution cools, the water molecules move closer together again. Here comes the sedimentation process. When the borax begins to settle, crystal starts to form as water evaporates. We can observe the crystallization process on walls, bottom of the jar and also in the design. It's all ready. All we have to do is take it out, dry it and arrange it. See the magic crystals. They are shining, shining. See how hard it is. Super hard. Give me 2 minutes, please. I'll just arrange it and come back. Yahoo! My final gift is ready. Oh, my dad likes it. Even you all try this at home. It's a great gift. Hope you liked it. Bye. See you in my next video.